Hi everyone, K Kim here with the Traders Club. I wanted to do a quick market update and do a follow-up video today on the video that I've done yesterday. Currently you're looking at S&P 500 index, 65 minutes chart, meaning every single candles represent 65 minutes worth of data here. But what I really wanted to talk about is this level here. Currently we're retesting this vicinity at 2145, 20-ish vicinity. This was act as a level that acted strong, not strong, but in minor terms support there, at least for a week or so. And then we retested level today, and obviously we talked about on yesterday's video that we talked about we had that hammer candle with some volume that came in first few hours or so this morning, and we were just kind of retesting that level. We did throw a shooting star type of candle right here, and then last hour we did see a little bit of selling pressure there towards the end of towards the last hour of the day today. So obviously we have obviously the perspective, the sentiment of the minor term is still bearish, as we're still dealing with this. We're still bound by this lower highs here, this downtrend resistance there, and we are in that vicinity of lower high. So if we do get rejected here tomorrow morning, and if we see this thing continuing to lower, definitely level to watch is back at this level at 2130 ish level, this band of support here. Also, what I would watch out also though is that if we do come down here tomorrow morning, you might want to see if there's any kind of bounce, and then there might be another attempt. There might be another attempt to get above this resistance here, this pivot level, that old support as a new resistance here. There might be another attempt to get above that, and if we can get above this sometime early this week or so, then there might be a price that want to fill this gap and come back to retest this falling resistance at about 2163-ish. However, if we lose the level at 2130 and continues lower and retests, continues to cultivate these micro-term support or micro-term lower highs, continues to cultivate these micro-term lower highs, and I think the next level will be 2120 to watch just going into next couple days there. I just want to look at quickly the daily chart, and we'll look at oscillator, and then we'll go from there. Obviously, I tweeted out this morning that we're still, where is that? Right on that 100 SMA vicinity. You can see that 100 SMA is still rising here. 100 SMA did act as strong support back in, not strong, but provided some kind of support here, at least for a week and a half here back in mid-September. So we're just kind of hanging out in that vicinity. We are right on that rising uptrend support as well. I mean, again, I will draw another line just to make sure this whole band of rising support going to act as some kind of support, and that's kind of what we're seeing. We're seeing a slowdown. We haven't seen a reversal yet. We haven't seen a breakdown yet. What we are seeing is we're holding right on that rising 100 SMA on this daily chart of S&P 500 and that rising uptrend support. Many people probably will come to a very quick conclusion that we have this a doji type of candle there, and therefore this thing is ready to reverse. Well, it's not that simple. I mean, yes, we did see a doji last time right here. Do you see that? It's more like a high wave, a spinning top, but the sentiment is this characteristic is still the same. Right on that 100 SMA there, and we did see pretty strong bounce next day. But that bounce was important. We saw that bounce, and then we had that pattern of morning star reversal. Do you see that right here? 3 days. The red, long red candle, and then we got this kind of a high wave spinning top, and then we got the follow through. We got that morning star reversal. We had a little bit of a consolidation there, forming some kind of bull pennant, and then we saw the breakout Today is hard to say because let's say if we have another doji type of candle tomorrow, that could actually look more like a bear flag, you see. So, but if we see a strong bullish move, we may have another, morning star reversal type of pattern there. But again, this time we're getting very, very close to the resistance level, so obviously that's a level to watch. But again, I'm not sure at this point. I need to see what kind of candle it closes with tomorrow, or how the market is going to react, and we can go from there. Finally, I want to look at oscillators real quick. This is actually short-term, micro-term oscillators, 65-minute chart. What I've so far in the minor term, what I see is that, obviously the MACD is still kind of giving us that bearish sentiment there, and we can see that in the price action, so that's not a whole lot useful. But when it comes to RSIs and stochastics here, they are at that oversold level. Again, that's a level that, in the last couple occasions where this thing would get to that level of oversold, and we did see minor term bounce in that vicinity. You can see as I just draw these arrows, you can see that these levels where the stochastic and this RSI and stochastic get into that level of oversold. Again, just because we're there does not mean that it's ready to bounce tomorrow, because it could like just fizzle around here for a couple, who knows how long. But for now, in the micro term, okay, I mean, this sentiment can shift quickly in a couple hours tomorrow morning, but in going into tomorrow, micro term, we are dealing with these oscillators telling us we're at that oversold level. Again, that doesn't mean that there's bounce coming. What it means is if there is a bounce tomorrow morning, I'm talking about strong bounce, strong bullish move tomorrow morning, couple hours, that could get the price to possibly break above this resistance and then continue up to this level here. But again, these things can kind of hang around for a little longer, and then this thing can also continue to deteriorate. So that's something to watch out. But I thought I'll just do a quick market update, let you guys know what I'm seeing here going into tomorrow. Have a great night.